What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It is time again for phrasal verb of the week. Yes, you heard correctly. And the phrasal verb this week is put up. Have you heard this one before? And would you believe it? This phrasal verb has 8 different meanings. Wow, that's crazy. So 8 different ways that you can better express yourself by just using one phrasal verb. Well, let's not waste any more time. Let's get right to it. To raise or build something, to construct, raise or place something in position. And for this one, I'm going to share 2 examples with you. The first one, he put his hand up to ask a question. So yeah, I think we all know this one. And the second example, we need to put up our tent before sunset. So yeah, that's the first one for the phrasal verb put up. Let's go look at the second meaning. To provide accommodation, to let someone stay at your house. So I think we've all done this in the past, let someone stay at our house. Let's look at an example how we can use put up in this situation. My friend put me up for the night after my flight got cancelled. So that's a very, very nice example. Remember that one? Let's go look at the third meaning of the phrasal verb put up. To tolerate something, to endure something unpleasant without complaining. Oh, not a nice situation. Let's go use it in context so we can understand it better. I can't put up with this cold weather anymore. Okay, so you can't handle something anymore. And we can use it in this situation, like I can't put up with the weather, but also maybe I can't put up with my boss anymore. I can't put up with someone's rude or bad behavior. So yeah, different ways that we can use put up in this situation. To increase something, to raise the cost or level of something. Yes, I think we are all familiar with this situation. Let's go look at an example. The hotel put up its rates during the holiday season. So yeah, so a very common thing that happens. And yeah, so this is number 4 on how you can use the phrasal verb put up. If you like the content, if you like the videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. We're halfway through the phrasal verbs. Let's go look at meaning number 5. To display or post something, like a sign, poster, or decorations in a visible place. And I want to share 2 examples for you for this one, because yeah, more than one specific way we can use it. Our first example, let's put up some Christmas decorations. So yeah, a very, very common activity, a very fun activity that we do during the festive season. Let's look at example number 2. The family put up posters with a photo of their lost dog. So yeah, so displaying something in a public area, in a visible area. Maybe not a nice situation, you lost your dog, we put up a poster. Let's move on everyone. Let's go look at the next meaning of the phrasal verb put up. To offer something for sale, to make something available for purchase. So yes, I think this is quite a common one. I think most of us will know it. Let's go look at an example. He put up his car for sale. So yeah, you want to sell something, you want to make something available for purchase, you put it up for sale. Another great one. Let's move on to our second last example or second last meaning of the phrasal verb put up. To encourage someone, to persuade someone to do something, often something wrong. Yeah. Yes, I think we've heard this one, maybe not. Let's go check the example to make it a little bit more clear. Let's use it in context. Who put you up to spraying graffiti on the wall? Yeah, what a great example. So, like the definition said, someone persuaded you or encouraged you to do something that's maybe not a good thing. So, who put you up to do it? Remember, that's a great one. Let's move on to number 8, the final meaning of our phrasal verb put up. To fight or resist something, to defend, fight, or show resistance. And again, this is such a good one. I want to share more than one example for you. And the first one, our team put up a good fight against the stronger opponent. So yeah, I like this one. I love watching sports. So our team put up a fight, you know, even if the other team might have been a bit stronger than them. So they put up a fight. I love that one. And then the second example, the soldiers put up strong resistance against the enemy. So yeah, another great example on how we can use the phrasal verb put up. So there you have it. 8 different meanings for the phrasal verb put up. Can you believe it? Remember them and make use of them. You know what? I know phrasal verbs can be tricky, but if you use them correctly, it really adds a lot of variety on how you can express yourself. So as always, everyone, that's the end of today's video. I would just like to thank you all for watching, for liking. Remember to subscribe, and we'll see each other in the next one. Bye-bye.